Hello, my name is Maria and I'm from Berlin, Germany, and today I completed my 200 hours certificate in Vinyasa Yogashala. And overall, I just wanted to say thank you first of all. It was a really great experience and I did not expect it to be like this because I actually just wanted to stay for 2 weeks, but I definitely had to stay longer. So it was absolutely worth it, and I just can only say thank you to all the teachers and all the people I met here. It was my first time in India, but I definitely want to come back, and I would love to come back to this school and this program because I learned so much about myself. I learned so much about other people, the culture, it was just great. And overall, what I can say, the school, they were very nice. Everyone is really nice. The food is really great. I loved it. And yeah, I'm just very thankful. Thank you very much.